Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for gifts and novelty items business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here. Build with Wix editor. So as you see here, you can start with such AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site and set up your site. And also you can set up without AI, so let's try to set up without AI. So let's get started. So enter here your business type or your website type, gifts and novelty items. Okay, so here you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's go, and now you can name your site or the store. Do you already have an online store or not? Choose if you already have one or not. Let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products? This depends on your business. So where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, now let's go and design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, so here you can enter your informations, name, email, address, phone, and also you can add a social link. Let's move on. Pick a theme you like. So pick a theme match your business. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to the customers. You can pick your favorite theme, your favorite homepage. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So here you can add page to your site. Okay, let's move on. So now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Okay, now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor. So as we see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements. So first here we have the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also you can customize here this section. You can upload images, import images. Here we have the buttons. So here you can customize the theme buttons, text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Let's move on to the decorative. Here we have the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows or horizontal lines, vertical lines. And let's move on to the next section. So here you can, if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of section you want to add. Let's move on now to the site design. So here you can customize your site design. You can change the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on. The first section here we have the header section, so you can change this is the site name, so you can change if you want. Here you can change the strip background, you can manage the horizontal menu if you want. So that's it, nothing special here. Let's move on to the next one. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background. Also you can change this image here. You can change the paragraph you want. If you want to change the paragraph, just go and click on it like this and create AI text. Okay, so as you see here, you can just select the type of the section. This is the welcome section. Okay, and now you can use this text here. So like this is easy and quick. It's simply here you can move this section. You can move it down or move it up if you want. You can explore section layouts. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here the product section, you can manage products. So click here, manage product. So new product, and select what kind of product, physical product or digital file. Okay, so physical product. So here you can create your product or manage your product section. So here you have to add the title of your product. You can add images and videos. Also you can add your product information, the name and the description, the price and options, the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can save this place. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here. If you wanna generate another text, just click on it and create AI text. And as you see here, select the section, the type of the section, and you can easily use it and create it. So that's it. If you want to change the image, just click here and search on gifts and novelty items. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so if you want to change this image here, the same thing, just click on it. Okay, so the same thing here. If you want to change the text, just click on it and regenerate another text. So this is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just add your company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. Okay, so after you verify, you can just publish your website. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.